All right, welcome back, everybody. Um, we had a very good night last night, so I know most of us are in a better mood this morning. The World Cup qualifiers have not been kind to us so far, but last night we finally got some joy after we beat Honduras in Honduras 2-0 with goals from Kemar Roof in the 38th minute and O'Neill Fisher in the 79th minute. All right, the victory is a first win for Jamaica in Honduras. So that makes it somewhat historic. All right. So Andre Blake says he's very proud of the boys and the way they were able to come away with this victory. Me personally, I've been saying that the team has been improving slowly. It's a step-by-step process. A lot of the players are new to each other, so it's going to take a while for them to understand how to play with each other. And also we have our challenges in terms of match planning and stuff. Stuff will fall under the coach, and that is a whole other topic that the Reggae Boy fans are discussing. Do they continue with the coach or do they move on to somebody else? However, with the victory, I think he might have bought himself some time, and it puts the team in decent stead to move forward. And the next window could determine a lot. So Andre Blake now says it's a very big 3 points. And he says, I'm very proud of the boys tonight. All right. Also, I don't know if anybody else noticed that he's still carrying a bit of an injury. A little bit of issues with his mobility and his ability to clear the ball or kick the ball out from a spot kick. So Jamaica were under pressure to secure the win against an equally desperate Honduran team, which now sits bottom of the hexagonal playoffs with 3 points, all from draws. All right. The top 3 teams will advance automatically to the World Cup finals, while 4th place will get a shot in an intercontinental playoff as they revive their chances to now sit as they've revived their chances. That is Jamaica to 6th. All right. Level with El Salvador on 5 points and 1 behind Costa Rica on 6, and 3 off the 4th place spot, which is a playoff spot. Panama, which has 8. All right. Blake heaped more praises on their achievement. I'm very proud of the boys. They did a great job, and now we just have to keep building on this momentum and move forward, he said. We have a group. We're not just here to be here. We want to play. We want to do well for our country, for our family and our friends and ourselves, and we have ambition, Blake continued. It was a scrappy game, but we matched their intensity. Then at moments, our football took over, where we were able to get some passing and get some possession on the ball. So overall, it was a good night. All right. What made it a better night is that Mexico beat El Salvador 2-0. And now they lead the group with 14 points. But that victory moved us from 7th to 6th. All right. Now Mexico leads with 14 points, 3 more than the United States on 11. And they beat Costa Rica 2-1 and Canada thumped Panama 4-1. That's another good victory for Jamaica, that Canada-Panama result, to move to 3rd in 10 points. So you have Mexico followed by the United States, followed by Canada, all right? And 4th is Panama. Then you have Costa Rica, then Jamaica, El Salvador, Honduras, in that order, all right? Now, the good thing is that Jamaica has now kept 2 consecutive clean sheets following Sunday's 0-0 draw with Canada at home. And Blake said they are gathering steam at the right time. He says we're a group, that the more time that we get together, the better we tend to play. So we're starting to build some confidence and momentum at the right time, at the right moment. So we just have to keep the group together now and keep building and keep pushing, stay hungry and hopeful, and we can go on a run from here and continue to get some points. Sensible statements there from the captain. I have to agree. The last night's results kind of put us in a better light, but we still have tons of work to do to get things back in our court or our corner. All right, so we have control over our own destiny. We don't want it to come down to the last couple of games where we're depending on other people to lose so that we can qualify. You know what I mean? We have to get victories under our belt to make our path more straightforward to the World Cup, if you understand what I mean. All right? Positive stuff. Let's keep it positive. And I'll see you next time, guys. Remember, like and subscribe, and thank you for supporting the channel. It means the world to us. You know what I mean? Thank you.